First, take your sponge and carefully cut a small hole in one corner using the scissors. It doesn't have to be perfect, just big enough for the handle of the spoon to fit snugly. Next, take the wooden spoon and insert the handle into the hole you just made. Push it in gently until the sponge feels secure around the handle. Trust me, you're going to love this. We all know how frustrating it is to clean hard-to-reach spots like under the microwave, behind furniture, or underneath the fridge. Those areas collect dust, crumbs, and who knows what else, and regular cleaning tools just don't cut it. By attaching the sponge to the spoon, you've just created the ultimate flexible cleaning tool. The wooden spoon gives you a sturdy grip, while the sponge bends perfectly to reach tight spaces and awkward corners. You can effortlessly scrub away dirt, grease, and grime from areas that were impossible to clean before.